now let's add, and I'm just checking over to make sure at least some things are where I want them to be. Oh, I haven't added my web page yet. So let's go ahead and add that. And let's add that here. All right, so here on Chapter 2, where it says Hollywood movies and TV shows, I'm going to select that text. And actually, I should have copied my other text first. So let me go to the text edit file, where I have my web page. Web page is here. Copy. Go back to Pages. So this is the text that I want you to be able to click on and go to a link. So from here, all right, so now I'm going to go to the Format menu, select Add Link, and I want it to be to a website. You have the choice of an email link and a bookmark. So web page, it brings up a little drop-down menu. It displays the text that I've selected, and it says link to. Again, you have the choice, web page, email, bookmark, and I'm just going to paste in that web page. And it knows to go to the page. So let's save, and that's done. And it underlines that text so that you know it's a link. All right, so let's save. And let's now go to page 3, where our table of contents will be. All right, so now I want to add a table of contents, a self-generating table of contents that if I add more chapters, if I move things around, it will automatically update. You can only do this in the word processing file. You cannot do this in a page layout. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to click. And I'm going to go over to the right and choose Heading. And this is going to read Table of Contents. Okay, so because I don't want the table of contents actually showing up in the table of contents, and I'm going to use the heading paragraph style as, well, actually, let me just show it. I'll do it and show it to you how I can change that out. Okay. I think I'll do that now. All right, so I'm going to select the table of contents. I'm going to go over to the right and create a new paragraph style for this. So I'm just going to click on the plus sign, and this is going to be my TOC heading style. So now it's applied. All right, click off of it, press return, and if I go to the Insert menu, select Table of Contents, I can tell it which part of the document I want it to look at to generate a table of contents. I want it to look at the entire document, not just a section. So if I click Document, now watch. All right, so just that quickly, you saw it read, Generating Table of Contents. So I have Kauai Garden and I have Beautiful Countryside. Sort of not the table of contents I was looking for. But if you look over to the right, you'll see what paragraph styles it used to generate this table of contents. All right, I do not want it to use title. I do want it to use heading. I do not want it to use heading 2. And I do want it to use acknowledgement heading page. So now you saw how it shifted around and used the correct paragraph headings styles to create and generate this table of contents. So you see from the right hand side, you can have almost anything you want in the table of contents. You just have to specify what you want there. So we're going to save that. And now, the last 2 things that I want to do here, we've generated the table of contents. I want to show you how to create this sidebar.